Hello, people. See, you'll have seen me for more than 3 years now. So it's like if you were to take a look at my channel, you'll know that each time I come across something interesting, I like to speak about it on my channel. So just now, I kind of visited this site called And We Met. Now, And We Met is it's one of the most, I don't know, progressive sites. Like, as in this particular site, And We Met, is like the title suggests, it's a, I won't say shadi wala site, but anyone looking to find their special someone. Now everybody, please don't get ideas. It's not like मैं खुद अभी create करने वाली हूँ profile, but it's a very, this particular site asks these questions that are, they are thought provoking. Because I'll tell you, yeah, like, I'll be honest, I had created my profile on these different sites like Bumble, on Isle, OkCupid, and all of this. But in comparison to all of that, when I checked And We Met, this site, I realized that यहाँ पे जो questions पूछते हैं यार, it is exactly what is true in a marriage. Like, for instance, one of the questions asked is, what is your sex drive? Would you say it's high or low? And according to what you answer, the computer database will match you with people with high drive or low drive. So, I mean, it really made me think. So, do check it out, people. It's called And We Met, and it is a beautiful site. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.